Just sing, just sing.
Where's your father? He's late for school. Daddy got run over by a backhoe. Daddy was standing on a mound of manure. Daddy was kicking at the bucket when the whole darn thing came down. Mama, she just hollered, "John dear," when that sloppy bucket mashed in Daddy's face. The cause of death was by a massive Ferguson. The coroner reported in his case. Yes, Daddy got run over by a backhoe. Daddy was standing on a mound of manure. Daddy was kicking at a bucket when the whole darn thing came down. See, Nicholas? Fewer notes. I'm so glad it wasn't that old pitchfork that sent poor old Daddy to his grave. I just wish it hadn't been pig manure into which poor old Daddy got paved. Yes, Daddy got run over by a backhoe. Daddy was standing on a mound of manure. Daddy was kicking at the bucket when the whole darn thing came down. Now Daddy drives his backhoe up in heaven. I just know that Jesus scooped up Daddy's soul. But I couldn't help from crying at the funeral when I saw that Alice Chalmers dig his hole. Yes, Daddy got run over by a backhoe. Daddy was